Hey, how are you guys doing? Welcome to this video review. Do you suffer with any knee discomfort, knee pain, or joint pains? Guys, I am here today to talk to you about a program known as the Ageless Knee. This is a recently introduced program that is claimed to restore a person's knee health and strengthen it without any surgeries, painkillers, or medications. It's so great. So the creator of this program says that this is a towel routine that aims at the root cause of the knee pain and will help you to stabilize your knee in just a short period of time. I mean, my nana's going to fall in love with this because Ageless Knee is so amazing. It's no medications. It is just a routine, guys. Below this video in the description box, I left Ageless Knee's official webpage because if you do know anyone who might need this, or maybe you need this for yourselves, go directly there, learn more about the Ageless Knee, and give it a shot, okay? This is a program that can help you save up your knee, become much more flexible, bring back your mobility, and live a painless lifestyle, okay? So the link is here waiting for you guys. But anyways, Ageless Knee is a program that comes with a video program guide and an electro-acupuncture guide, which can eliminate knee pain and rebuild your knees' strength and health. So this program is created based on a scientific discovery that found the core reason behind knee pain and functions on this hidden cause. So the hidden cause of knee pain starts with the femoral nerve. This nerve runs from your lumbar spine down to the front of your leg and is the prime nerve that controls hip flexors and quadricep muscles. So the femoral nerve is the one that sends your muscle electric signals to function properly. So if there isn't enough movement in your femoral nerve, because most of us are probably spending half of our day sitting, or lying, it can weaken your femoral nerve, thus resulting in knee pain. Now I'm worried. Just kidding. But guys, therefore you see, you must activate your femoral nerve to entirely get rid of knee pain and restore its strength and stability. So this can be achieved using electroacupuncture. The manufacturer of the Ageless Knees digital program integrated the effect of electroacupuncture into a wand that can activate your femoral nerve and eliminate knee pain really quickly. So along with this, the creator also combined athletic training that along with the wand will assist in strengthening your knees and remove any pain from it. So this is a really cool program because you're going to be receiving with it like a handbook, guidebook, an ebook, a DVD, video tutorials. So it is like the legit full real deal, and all you gotta do is just set out a time to do these exercises routine and practice them and do them with patience as well and do them properly, and your knee will, as soon as you notice it, you're going to have your knees fully working better again and no more aches and pains. So this is a really great guide. If you know anyone who might need it, tell them about it. The link is here waiting for you guys. Before I forget, you also have a money-back guarantee, so in case you need a refund, in case it didn't work out for you or meet up to your needs and standards, you can simply request your money back on the official webpage, okay? But for now, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Go take care of your knees right now. See you folks next time, okay? Bye.